Hello, Diana here. This is going to be a very different video because I am reviewing something I don't use, and quite frankly, I don't have a use for it because I am an Apple addict. And this company, KWING, I think is how it's pronounced, KWING, KWING, approached me about reviewing this product, which is a scratch and bite resistant charging cords. It's an absolutely fantastic idea, but they've yet to make them for Apple products. So when they approached me about a review, because they've seen a couple of reviews like this review I did, or I'll put a few cards up there because I've done quite a few reviews on different products. So they wanted an honest review of this product. And of course I said, I don't have anything to charge with these, so I can't tell you anything about the charging ability. But let's face it, the coolest part of these charging cords is that they are chew resistant, and they're coming out with an Apple cord soon. So they went ahead and sent me these cords. They come USB-A to USB-C, boom. And they come USB-C to USB-C, boom. But they have cats, dogs, parrots, and rabbits. So I said, I'd be happy to do a review, but I'm gonna be painfully honest. The only way I can review it, my dogs would no sooner chew through a charging cord than fly. My cats used to chew the blind cords in my house when they were kittens, but now they don't chew anything. I don't have any birds, but boy, I tell ya, I've got like 30 rabbits in a rabbit colony. So if you want me to test the product, I'm just gonna open a box and stick it in with the rabbits. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it right now. I will toss it in. Rabbits chew on everything. Tomorrow, we'll pull the same cord back out and take a look. That will be my review. That's the best I can tell you. Cool charging cords, awesome idea. They don't come for Apple products yet, but they are supposed to be chew resistant. We will see. Oh my gosh, this cord is flawless. It looks like they managed to eat a little bit right there and none on that end. I can kind of feel where I don't know if you can see it, but it looks where they tried to chew through and couldn't. What an awesome cord. And it's heavy, so it feels really quality, but I'm running my fingers through it just in case there's a rough spot that I can't see. But I would say, geez, what an ace. This is the only spot that they were able to chew. Wow, totally cool. Looking it over in the house, it's a little easier to see. It does look like the rabbits tried to chew on it, but they didn't get through. They didn't get to anything that's important, just little tiny marks they were able to make on it. There will be a link to this bad boy in the description. And with that, stay safe, stay healthy, stay surrounded by loved ones, and most of all, stay grateful for all of your blessings. Thank you so much.